Welcome back to Can You Puree That? Cinnamon Raisin Swirl Bread Edition. First, we have all the ingredients you need. Nothing too out of there. Here we go. All right, first you pour 2 tablespoons milk in a bowl. Put the raisins in the bowl and microwave for 30 seconds to help hydrate the raisins. Let sit aside so the raisins get plumped up and full of milk. Then you microwave 1 tablespoon butter and add cinnamon to let it bloom. Then you pour that cinnamon butter into the raisin milk. Next, you puree. Strain the milk so that big chunks of raisins don't get in your puree. Cut that raisin bread into small pieces and pour it into the bowl with the raisin milk. Delicious. This is the xanthan gum that I bought online. It lasts for a long time. All right, here we go. Put everything in the blender and blend. You can put it in a ramekin if you want, or you can pipe it. You don't have to use a piping bag. You can use a sandwich bag. And in the end, this is kind of what it looks like. It's not professional, but it looks kind of like a piece of bread. All right, now that we found a way to instill as much flavor as possible in the cinnamon raisin swirl bread of my childhood in a puree, let's see, should we puree it, right? All right, oops, I moved it. To be honest, I made a couple of these and this one's a heart. I mean, you can make it look like toast, but I also like hearts and polka dots and many other things that we might try sometime. All right, so let's see. Should we puree it? Is it delicious? Okay. Yeah, it's delicious. Okay, just one more. Let me see. Yeah, it's really good. So, can we puree it? Yes. Should we puree it? Sure. I mean, pureed bread's kind of weird, but you could do this if you really need that taste for cinnamon raisin bread. Or maybe you could take that raisin milk and put it in, cinnamon raisin milk, right? And put it in oatmeal, pureed oatmeal, or put it in cream of wheat. And that way you have that same flavor in kind of a more normal texture, but